Some of the best social media profiles have authenticity throughout their whole page, and that is something we want to make sure you are doing with your social as well by doing these custom posts. And this is one that we have for mergers or acquisitions. So let's get into it. Let's say I am, let's check. Let's do, we're going to do Pittsburgh. We're going to keep with that. PGH, I think is what it is. No, Berg. Sweet. Okay. As you can see, Pennsylvania has a different logo. So we're going to bring it down here. So we're going to say, let's say I'm working with the Berg. Ungroup this. We're going to delete that. And then let's say I want to do a merger, or I, hypothetically in this world when we're doing this, I'm doing a merger with lovely Mr. Rogers. So here I could see that this is their logo on their website. So I could right click, save image as, and then save. Perfect. Okay. Alternatively, you could Google it and find it that way. Let's see how it looks. That looks great. Okay, so we'll delete that. We'll make sure they look about the same in size. Move it over, and then we'll put this kind of in between the two. Honestly, I want to make this one bigger. Let's do this. I'm going to select all of them, group. I really like the spacing that we have there. Size it up a bit, and then let's position it to the center. And it is perfect. And then I'm going to do the down arrow couple just to, let's see here. There we go. I want it to be a little bit of room here. Perfect. Okay, so let's say the bird. Oh, sorry, no, Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. Okay. Rogers is now part of, and then it would be spelled out because they don't do it the same, but the Berg. B-U-R-G. Okay, that is longer than it was before. So let's see. Let me see if I do down a bit. There we go. I like that better. 2 lines is perfect. We're going to stretch this out a bit and then position it to the center. That looks great. Drag in our photo. Obviously, that would be a good looking photo. But before we share it, I'm kind of not liking this red color. So I'm going to show you guys a little hack. If you want to change the color of a logo to one color specifically, like if you're trying to change a logo, let's say I want this to be yellow or white, or I want this actually to be white. We're going to change this one to white. So we're going to do edit, and then we're going to come over here to we're going to come over to filters, scroll over to duo tone. Here we go. It'll do this one, and then I'll give you 2 different colors for it. We're going to switch both of them up to white. Sweet. And then there you have it. We have a white logo. It works the same as if we were to go down to black, if we had a white background. This is really great. I've worked a lot of events where I've had to change the logos to white or black. So anyways, show off your wins and really show them that you're authentic, but you're also doing premier work.